Welcome back to Brain Beats, where curiosity meets the mind. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the history of hurricanes, those colossal storms that have relentlessly battered our coastlines for centuries. But when did we first start naming and categorizing these natural phenomena? It all started in the 1800s when meteorologists began to recognize that hurricanes followed certain patterns. Fast forward to 1953 when we officially began naming them. This was a game changer for tracking these storms and warning those in their path. Now in 2024, Hurricane Milton is poised to make landfall in Florida. What's fueling this beast? Warming oceans, courtesy of climate change. Rising sea temperatures mean more intense storms, leading to stronger winds, heavier rainfall, and perilously high storm surges. And it's not just hurricanes we're talking about. Tornadoes, cyclones, and other weather extremes are all getting a turbo boost from our warming planet. Curious about the science behind these storms and what we can do to prepare? Stick with us here at Brain Beats, where we break it all down for you.